Hello everyone! So today's video is unboxing my new iPad, keyboard, and a pen for my iPad as well. So as you may know, for those of you who follow my Instagram account, I have shown that I have been accepted into a pharmacy program for this year, so I'll be starting my first year as a pharmacy student. So I'm excited. I heard it will be a good investment. Anything for my dream, right? Alright, let's first unbox the iPad.
So they delivered in this box right here, which is really perfect for an iPad. And I got some hiccups receiving my order. I will use the scissor to open the box.
Well, here's the backstory. This is the second iPad I ordered through Apple. So basically, the first one, it got delivered to my house, but
I had my mom to accept it for me, but she left like 5 or 10 minutes before they came. They didn't, I'm not sure what's going on. I signed up for notifications through UPS, but it's only give you an estimate time. So the delivery was a little late. And so my mom left right before they came.
So they came and they require my signature before they can deliver it. So they left a note for us, but I don't trust, something so expensive left outside my house. And I had to go work too.
So I attempted for a pickup at a UPS store. They don't do pickup, guys. And so I called the customer service. You know what? The first thing they sent me to is a automated system. And of course, in my mind is, I don't want it delivered. I want to pick it up. So they asked me, do you still want this to be delivered? I said no, because I want to pick up. But on the system, they thought I refused for delivery. So they sent back to Apple. I was so stressed over this because, it's so expensive to to have anything happen to it. I'm a student. And I don't make enough money yet, so it was so bad. Okay.
I tried to get this. I'm struggling right now. Ooh, right here. It tells us how to open. Okay. Let's open on both sides. So I'm gonna pull it. Mystery. I'm so nervous. Excited. Let's go, guys. It came off. Okay. Alright. Let's open it. It dropped. Okay.
So then I called Apple, and they said, well, once it refused for delivery, they cannot do anything else. So I applied for a refund. Right now, when I opened this box, they haven't refunded me. So I'm giving them a few more days. Hopefully they refund me. If not, I will call them. Everything will be alright. That's all I say, okay? So, yeah, that's what happened at first. So, and they told me, oh, you can pick up at an Apple store. There's literally no Apple store in my town or my city. The one that nearest to my city is 3 hours away. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. And so this time I'd be more cautious. And I know that we had to sign for it, right? So I had one of my friends at home who's regularly at home to accept it for me. So it is safe and sound. Okay. It's so thin, guys. It's like oh my lord. Okay, I'm opening it. So this one is an iPad Air 2024. Right now Apple is having a promotion. I can probably, by the time I post this video, it's probably over. But I will do it in a timely manner so you guys can get the promotion.
So they do it like really in express delivery. So you get it like within a day, but if you order like on a Friday or weekend, it will be like Monday or Tuesday. So but if you order on a weekday, they deliver next day. So okay. So this one is $8.95. I have to double check, but I can give you more info in my descriptions. So they also give you a $100 gift card. Okay, is this blue? I ordered a blue one. This blue to you? This looks like gray, right? But the good thing is Apple also engrave whatever you put on. So here's my engraving. So basically the engraving is Jambi on top and then through, THRU. That's like my motto, is you need to see through everything, you know. So yeah, I ordered blue because my school colors is blue. So right now it's nighttime, but yeah, it's blue, but it's a little lighter, a little light blue, kind of a little bit matching with my dress here. That's my intention here. I'm excited to meet this new friend. Okay. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, so I will charge this, and then once it's charged, I will make another video on explaining or you see more the functions of it. Okay,
So I'm gonna put this aside real quick.
so far I really like it. And I purchased this one is 512 gigabyte.
Because we can also store stuff on iCloud, right? But I also like to have storage in my iPad. I don't want to wait for something to download from iCloud to use it. So that's why I purchased high volume of storage.
Okay, so back to unboxing. This one is, okay, let's see what else is in the box here. Ooh. Okay, well, basically, you know, a charger. Pretty nice, sticky compared to that old one. Yeah, it's smaller too, like the hole is smaller. Okay. And then the core feels really rough. I say, like, you know, like the texture is like a rattlesnake. Think of it. Just saying it just make me okay, let's move on. I don't. Oh, I need to unwrap it. Yeah, it's sticky after you unwrap it. Okay.
I thought the texture would be more different. Okay, moving on is unboxing the
I lost my words for a second. Okay, this is keyboard and pen. So many of you probably use a lot of Amazon. So I compare the prices on Amazon and Apple. It's much affordable through Amazon, and I think they have more options.
let me start unboxing. More options. I choose this one. I would like to have like a rainbow colored keyboard, but I think it's gonna attract attention in class, especially you're a professional student. You don't want to attract much attention. So I was like, well, one day I'll graduate, and if I need it, I will buy that. Okay. This whole box, and then the 2 items. Okay. Okay. So that's why I purchased this one. And I'm not sure which color. I remember I choose all blue. All blue. Let's see.
How to open. Ooh, I can just slide it off. Oh, I'm so excited. Would you like to open the Pandora box? The blue is so pretty! Oh my god. Okay. I can feel myself in tears right now. Oh, they have a little note. Dear customer,
thank you very much for your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know. We will do our best to solve your problem and improve our product. We hope that we can create the best shopping experience for you and our products can meet your daily needs.
please follow us on Facebook and share your idea with us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Oh, I love products that have like notes. Even though it may not personalize, but like a little note to your customer, I really like it, you know? But if it's personalized, I'd be more excited. Okay. The view of it is pretty nice. I can touch you all day long. Okay. Oh, so it's magnetic, okay? And how does how look? Ooh. Look at that. Pretty nice. I will send you a link to what I got to. So it's supposed to be a this what it looks like inside. Ooh. Ooh, so the keyboard is magnetic to the outside. So you can like adjust to it and then like adjust your iPad. There's like the room where you lay your iPad. Adjust the angle. Okay. And then you can do that. Look at that. And of course, you know, the next video, I will show you the final product. This is just unboxing. I like it. Like, it's smooth. I feel like it's like leather. I'm not sure what product it is, but I really like it. Okay, and they also have a US cable here for charger. And it came in a box like this. I really like the box. Next item in the queue. It is the pen. Wait, wrong box. I was like, where's the pen? It's gonna start freaking me out. Ta-da! Okay. How it looks like pencil. It's magnetic, so you can attach it to the side. Let's see. I need to figure out how to open this box here. Oh. Oh, you can slide. Okay. Should have just slide. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, they have renewal.
Okay, so this is my first time ever to have an iPad with a pen and a keyboard. So, wow. Look at this. Oh. Oh my god. Technology, just amazing. Okay, I guess this to use to charge it. How do I charge it? Open up here. I don't know. So they gave me this, but I'm not sure. I guess I'll figure it out. Yeah, pretty cool.
Alrighty, those are the 3 items that I got for my school. So wish me luck on my new journey, and I have good feelings about this. Like beginning of this year, I already know, oh, I will be in pharmacy school. So wish me luck, guys. Thank you for those that already support me, and I'm very grateful where I am right now, and I will continue to share my journey with you all, and hopefully I can share a lot of things to a lot of people more, and hope they find their also happiness. See ya. Thank you.